Someone wants to know why is it that SPIRO bikes cannot self-charge. Instead of swapping, why can't we just connect an alternator to the bike to charge the battery so that someone can ride the bike forever without swapping? Here's the reason. If you attended physics lectures, this is going to be very easy for you to understand. It's all about the law of conservation of energy. This law states that energy is only transformed from one form to another. It cannot be destroyed or created. So when you swap a battery and you replace a battery on the bike, the motors that run the bike convert electrical energy from the battery to mechanical energy so that the bike can move. If you want to connect an alternator to charge the battery, that means you are going to convert the mechanical energy produced by the motors back into electrical energy to charge the battery. But here's the fix. From Lenz's law of electromagnetic induction, the alternator is going to work against the motors that are driving the bike. So what does this mean? This means that the power drawn from the battery to run the motor is going to be higher than the power produced by the alternator to charge the battery. That means the battery will drain faster, and if a battery was designed for 100 kilometer range, it will only run for about 10 kilometers before it finally drains out.